gotta listen to that. My buddy's truck. We're up at his shop. And he's got a knot going on in there. There it is. He does not sound happy. Hey, you be fine, man. You good for another 100,000. All set. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up. I just wanted to play that for you. Listen to that. Alright, I'm out of here. Have a good one.